Welcome to the Japanese Garden in Buenos Aires, Argentina. Nestled in the heart of the city, this serene oasis is more than just a garden. It's a cultural journey, a place for relaxation, and a must-visit spot for anyone exploring Argentina's capital. Stick around to learn everything you need to know before your visit. The Japanese Garden, or Jardín Japonés, is located in the Palermo neighborhood, one of Buenos Aires' most vibrant areas. You can get here easily by subway, bus, or taxi, and it's just a short walk from other Palermo attractions like the Botanical Garden and the Planetarium. Check out my videos on Buenos Aires to get yourself situated in the city. Built in 1967 as a gesture of friendship between Japan and Argentina, this garden is a beautiful symbol of cultural exchange. Over time, it has become one of the largest Japanese gardens outside Japan, attracting visitors from all over the world. Proceeds from the garden support Japanese-Argentine cultural events and initiatives. Years before even thinking about creating a YouTube channel for my adventures, I spent some time backpacking in Japan. Being here brought me back to some of those memorable moments in places like Nagasaki. There is an authentic Japanese feeling to walking along these gardens in a country that is approximately 18,075 kilometers or around 11,231 miles removed by the shortest distance. There's so much to do here. Stroll across the arched bridges, feed the colorful koi fish, and take part in workshops on Japanese traditions like tea ceremonies, bonsai care, and even origami. Check the garden's calendar for special events. Sometimes they host live music performances and cultural fairs. The garden is meticulously designed with traditional Japanese elements. You'll find iconic features like the cherry blossom trees, azaleas, and carefully pruned bonsais. Every rock, plant, and pond has been placed with intention to create harmony and balance, reflecting Japanese garden philosophy. The garden isn't just about plants, it's about learning and connecting. Visit the Cultural Center to explore exhibitions on Japanese art, language, and traditions. The restaurant offers authentic Japanese cuisine, including sushi and matcha desserts, for a taste of Japan in Argentina. Don't miss the iconic arched bridge, symbolizing the path to paradise, and a cascading waterfall that adds to a soothing ambiance. The main pond, filled with koi fish, is the garden's centerpiece. Make sure to snap a picture or two here. The garden is open year-round, but the best time to visit is during Argentina's spring, that's from September to November, when the cherry blossoms are in bloom. Or autumn, that's from March to May, when the weather is mild and the colors are stunning. It can get quite busy on the weekends, so aim for a weekday morning for a more peaceful experience. Some tips for you: buy tickets in advance online to avoid lines, especially during peak seasons. Wear comfortable shoes for walking along the pathways, and bring a book or journal. This is the perfect spot for some reflection and relaxation. The Japanese garden in Buenos Aires is a slice of tranquility in a bustling city. a place where nature, culture, and history come together beautifully. Whether you're looking for a quiet escape or a cultural experience, this garden is not to be missed. For more details and an in-depth review, visit adventureswithjewel.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your experiences in the comment section below. I'll see you on the next adventure.